Bandits Early Bird Special. Friday, February 19th. If you're new to the channel, be sure to like, subscribe, click the bell icon, support the channel. If you're looking for Bandits premium plays, games Bandits betting on, $30 USD weekly package deal, it's a great deal. College basketball, early bird special, IUPUI versus Youngstown State. Bandit playing Youngstown State. Minus 4.5 points full game. Early bird special, Youngstown State. Minus 4.5 points full game. Quarter unit play. Money Maker Bandit, king of the 1 minute videos. Making you money in 1 minute. Money Maker out.